Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. The Feelings Thermometer is a highly practical tool extensively employed in cognitive behavioral therapy, mental health counseling, and educational settings. It is designed to help individuals, especially children, comprehend and articulate their emotions. The Feelings Thermometer illustrates a broad emotional spectrum, ranging from calm and relaxed to high-intensity emotions like anger or stress. This intuitive interface provides a tangible measure of one's emotional state, enabling users to locate their feelings. More than just a visual guide, the Feelings Thermometer is an engaging platform that promotes emotional literacy. To use our free Feelings Thermometer, follow these steps. Download our Feelings Thermometer from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. First, you must understand the emotional spectrum that it represents. Each level of the thermometer corresponds to different emotional intensities, with the bottom indicating a state of calm or peace and the top signaling extreme emotions like anger or anxiety. Once familiar with the spectrum, you must identify your current emotional state. This process requires honest self-reflection and can be a significant step towards acknowledging and addressing emotions, a crucial aspect of mental health. After identifying your emotions, mark your current state on the thermometer. This marking can be done by coloring a certain level, placing a sticker, or using a movable clip on the gradient. This interactive feature allows users to connect with their emotions tangibly and create a record for future reflection. As you consistently record your emotional states, you can reflect on your emotions over time. This ongoing process enables the recognition of patterns, triggers, and effective coping strategies. Here is a sample of our Feelings Thermometers, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Feelings Thermometers, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.